Well, it's the old interstate workaholic again. And since it's still on the tractor connected up, I'm going to try and start it. Hoping to do a little rotary mowing. I think I've mentioned before this battery dates to the last millennium. It's got to be at least 24 years old, and possibly more. I could look it up, but maybe later. For now, I got to find a way to climb up on that seat because I can't get by this side, and I don't think I can get by the other side. Okay, I'm in. Now, seeing as it's 77 or 78 Fahrenheit, I wouldn't call this a cold start, so I shouldn't need to use the manifold heater. So let's see. There you go. Well, it's a little windy out here by the canola field. Just going to give you some idea. It's taller than the windshield on this trike. I'm hoping this is one of the tallest spots in the field, because if there's anything taller, I'm going to have a nightmare trying to swath it. We got lots of pods here, skinny little starting to fill pods. They're going to need some moisture to finish filling. Got a lot of flowers on the ground. If I could get up high enough to show you. We have lost a lot of color in the last few days of 90-degree heat. This field should have a little advantage over some of the others in that it was chem fallow last year and built up quite a moisture reserve. So I'm hoping that's going to pull me through this heat and continuing dry trend. We had a few spots of rain this morning I could hear on the roof, and yet it didn't even register in the gauge, so might as well say nothing. Still very cloudy. Still smoke from forest fires way off in the north and Alberta and BC. Anyway, that's the situation as it stands on the 25th of July. So I better get busy here. I do have some actual work to do today. Alright folks, that's all for this time. Thanks for watching. Watch out for the next one on the Risky 6 channel.